If you're trying to pick between Clawdbot, n8n, and Manus AI, this isn't really a which one is best situation. It's more about what kind of automation brain you actually want. So here's how it breaks down from actually using them. n8n is the most structured of the three. Think of it like the backbone for serious workflows. Clean data pipelines, integrations across apps, and everything behaving exactly as expected. If you need predictable automation in a business setting, this is the safest bet. Then you've got Manus AI. This one feels like handing a task to a virtual assistant and just walking away. It browses, figures things out, and adapts on the fly. It's great for open-ended research or messy real-world tasks. And Clawdbot? That's the most developer energy option. It runs locally, plugs into your own systems, and gives you deep control through chat apps and terminal access. So the verdict? Structured ops? n8n. Autonomous delegation? Manus. Full control and privacy? Clawdbot.